just noticed after joining India English Bolega Abhiyan?
Yes, sir. Earlier, really, I was not able to introduce myself in front of any people. And right now, whatever I am speaking, I can say surely, sir, because of you. Because you guide me in a good way every day. I take classes around 8:30 p.m. So after joining India English Bolega Abhiyan, I think so. I have improved a lot, and I am getting too much confidence how to speak English. Earlier I didn't know really. So for that I am trying to speak English every day. Whatever you say, sir, I follow that all routine, and I remember every day 5 to 10 new words meaning and try to convert in English every day. That's all, sir.
So, first of all, I welcome you, Saloni ji, in this wonderful session of India English Bolega Abhiyan, a dream to change India. This is Suraj Kumar, founder of India English Bolega Abhiyan. I welcome you. Please introduce yourself and tell all the people that who are you.
First of all, thank you, sir. And my name is Saloni. I am from Gaya, Bihar, and I am a homemaker. And now I am learning English, and that's all.
So, thank you, Saloni ji, for accepting my request, and today you are here. I tell you, India English Bolega Abhiyan, you have joined, you are learning English language, and really it is my great dream to transform India. So when I started this journey, that time really it was a illusion for me that really it will be successful or not. The people they will understand, they will learn or not. But you joined, you are learning, still you are improving, and really you have improved a lot. I tell you, you can express your ideas, whatever is the topic I give you, and you express. I feel fantastic. So
Yes,
tell,
sir.
I think tell the people that really what is the changes you just noticed after joining India English Bolega Abhiyan?
Yes, sir. Earlier, really, I was not able to introduce myself in front of any people. And right now, whatever I am speaking, I can say surely, sir, because of you. Because you guide me in a good way every day. I take classes around 8:30 p.m. So after joining India English Bolega Abhiyan, I think so. I have improved a lot, and I am getting too much confidence how to speak English. Earlier I didn't know really. So for that I am trying to speak English every day. Whatever you say, sir, I follow that all routine, and I remember every day 5 to 10 new words meaning and try to convert in English every day. That's all, sir.
Really, I give you 100% guarantee, Saloni ji. One day your English will be fantastic, and you will be this much capable that you will teach other students. So this is my dream because India English Bolega Abhiyan only one person can't teach whole India. Yeah.
Yes,
Suppose
yes,
if
sir.
all students they will learn, they will be that much capable that they will start to teach themselves. That day
Right.
this campaign it will be reality. I don't know that this will be reality or not, but I'm trying my best, and whatever just I am doing, I know it very well. Because of me, many students they are learning. Whenever they speak in front of me, I feel fantastic. I see really whatever just I have earned, that is you can see here the people, the students, they when they started their journey, that time it was very
Your
difficult for
Sir, your
them.
style it is really so good, sir. We
Thank you.
don't feel hesitate while learning English because your explaining a style is really excellent.
Thank you, thank you. Actually, I'm trying to improve myself. Yeah. Many students, I think they praise me. Many students, they say, sir, you should improve something. So I always try to improve myself, and really, I feel fantastic when, like you, many students, they say, sir, really, you teach well. Then I feel really I'm doing something well. Because feedback is very important. Any
Yes,
work, if you do that, suppose you upload the videos and you make the videos, you teach someone. And if the people they don't react, they don't comment, they don't say, sir, what are you doing? Really, it is good or bad. So you feel that really people they are just ignoring you. Yeah.
Yes,
But
yes, sir.
if you are teaching anyone, you can see the result, and because of you, the people they are able to talk, they are just able to express themselves. That time you see that this is the real
Yes, sir.
result.
You are
And
helping, sir. Yes,
mm,
sir.
so thank you, Saloni ji, for your valuable time. Today you are here, and I know that in household chores you have a lot of things to do, and you are very busy. Last day, I think on Sunday you just missed the class, and but
Yes,
today you got the time.
yes, sir. Unfortunately, sir, I was not able to attend that session.
No problem. I think today if you are here, then really it is good for me, for you as well, because I think I create like these videos because of the motivation. You know, people
Yes,
they need the result. They don't see your effort.
yeah,
How much
right, sir.
effort just to say that doesn't matter if you don't have result. And when I just make the videos with my students, I feel that you can see that this is the result. Many
Yes,
students they say 1 month, 2 month, they just attend the class. Sir, where is the result? But I tell you, English learning it is a very vast language,
yeah,
and
sir, right.
continuously, if you practice, if you just try to do something better, then finally you get the result. But suddenly, if you
Great,
become
sir. Right,
patienceless, if you become, it is very difficult.
right, sir.
You should keep patience and try to improve every day, do the practice every day. Finally, you will feel yourself that what is my level, it is improving, and I am doing something well.
Yeah,
So,
right, sir.
I think apart from attending the class, which kind of activity you do for improving your English?
Sir, every day I try to watch English content on YouTube and on Facebook, and I also try to speak in front of camera as well as in front of mirror, and I see of myself how I am speaking English. So sometime I also use some books and try to translate in English. So these things I do, sir, when I get time.
Very good. And one thing I would like to tell you,
Yes,
whatever
sir.
you learn, you teach your
Yeah.
children. Yeah. And
Yes, sir.
only this is the thing, only knowledge. Whatever you just express and just you distribute other people, your knowledge just increases. So
Right.
always whatever you learn you teach, learn you teach. After that you see that you are in the next level.
Sir, I would like to say, sir, after learning English, earlier I was not able to understand two or three lines, sir. But nowadays, sir, I can explain my both kids what is written in your notebooks and in your books, so I can explain them easily.